In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get shields in Monopoly Go. If you're ready to give your gameplay a boost, let's jump straight into it. The first thing you want to do is take a look at the top right corner of your screen. There you'll notice 3 horizontal lines. Go ahead and tap on them. This will open up a menu and you'll want to navigate to a section called the showroom. Once you're in the showroom, direct your attention to the bottom part of the display where you'll see a shield icon. This is the treasure trove of all the shields you've unlocked so far in the game, and it's where your shield journey begins. When you first start Monopoly Go, you're provided with a single shield aptly named the Defender. It might not seem like much, but it serves as your first line of defense in the game. As you progress, you'll naturally want to get more. To unlock additional shields, participating in in-game events is key. Look for events like Ghosty Gatherings or jump into the daily tournaments such as Cypher Crack. These events not only keep the game fresh, but also reward you with new shields, as well as dice or sticker packs. Not only is this a great way to mix things up, but these rewards can significantly elevate your gameplay. Another effective way to collect shields is by completing daily quick wins. Toward the bottom left of your screen, there's a wins icon. Tap on that, complete the mini tasks presented to you, and then check the rewards bar. You'll find that occasionally shields will appear as part of your rewards here too. It's a quick and easy way to expand your shield collection with minimal effort. Additionally, it pays to be on the lookout for special partner or seasonal events. Events themed around holidays like Christmas, Halloween, or Easter often introduce exclusive shield skins that you won't find elsewhere. These events not only add a festive layer of fun to the game, but can also offer unique additions to your shield collection that will make your board stand out. Once you've earned new shields, head back to the showroom. Here you can review all your available designs. If you find one you particularly like, tap the Equip button to adorn your game board with your favorite shield. That's all there is to it. I hope this tutorial helped you enhance your playing experience on Monopoly Go. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for even more Monopoly Go tips and tricks in the future.